259 new positive cases were reported in Goa on August 4, 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on August 4, 2020, 238 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 7,075. Total active cases in the state stands at 1,901. Total recovered cases stands at 5,114. Total 60 deaths are reported till August 4, 2020. 29 years male from Altino Panji, 79 years female from Vadem Vasco, 54 years male from Kalkonda Margaon, 80 years male from Gokul Margaon, admitted at ESI COVID Hospital Margaon, all with comorbid condition, expired on 4th August 2020. Out of 2,866 samples tested, 2,037 are negative, 259 are positive, 570 reports awaited. At present, patients in isolation wards are 67. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 51. As per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 4th August 2020. Breakup of total 1,901 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 12, CSC Sakre 58, CSC Pernam 26, CSC Valpai 58, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 67, USC Panji 78, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 20, PSC Petki 22, PSC Kandolim 45, PSC Kansarvarnam 6, PSC Korwae 37, PSC Kolim 30, PSC Chimpal 98, PSC Shiolim 10, PSC Porvorim 38, PSC Mayam 8, Travelers by Road Flight Train 12. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 26, CSC Kankona 8, Urban Health Center, USC Margaon 114, USC Vasco 389, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 50, PSC Kansaulim 32, PSC Chinchinim 1, PSC Kortalim 288, PSC Kurtorim 48, PSC Lutolim 24, PSC Marsayam 28, PSC Kwepam 30, PSC Sangam 16, PSC Shiroda 33, PSC Dharbandora 38, PSC Ponda 114, PSC Navilim 37. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.